The point transform tool in Affinity is one of those tools that gives you super precise control over how your shapes rotate and scale, and it's perfect for beginners once you get the hang of it. Think of it like this. Instead of rotating or resizing an object from the center every time, you can choose exactly which point you want to rotate or scale from. That's what makes this tool special. To use it, head over to the toolbar, click and hold the Node tool, and you'll find the Point Transform tool hiding in that flyout menu. You can also press the F key as a shortcut. Once it's selected, you'll see a little white circle in the center of your object. That's your pivot point or transform origin. You can click and drag that point to move it anywhere you want, maybe to a corner, an edge, or even outside the shape. Then, when you click and drag from any corner of your object, you can rotate or resize it around that exact spot. If you hold Shift, it scales evenly. Hold Control to rotate freely, and if you hold Shift plus Control, it rotates in clean 15-degree steps. Super handy for accuracy. This tool is awesome when you're working on logos, icons, or illustrations where every little angle matters. It gives you pro-level control without feeling complicated, even if you're brand new to Affinity. And hey, if this video helped you understand how to use the Point Transform tool, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss more easy Affinity Designer tips and tricks.